In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize page borders in Microsoft Word. Let's get started by heading to the Design tab at the top of your Word window. There, click Page Borders. This opens the Borders and Shading dialog, which is where all the border controls live. Make sure you're on the Page Border tab so the settings you choose apply to the entire page, not just a paragraph or a table. Now you'll choose the look and feel of your border. Start with the setting options. Box gives you a clean rectangular border around the page. Shadow adds a subtle drop shadow for a layered effect. 3D creates a beveled raised look for a slightly more pronounced style. Custom lets you fine-tune exactly which sides show a border, so you can mix and match edges and even leave one side open. As you make changes, keep an eye on the preview area on the right. It updates to show how your page will look. Next, choose a style for the line, such as solid, dotted, or dashed. Pair that with a color that complements your document and a width to control how thin or bold the border appears. If you prefer something decorative, open the Art drop-down for a selection of themed borders. These can be fun for invitations, certificates, or classroom materials. If you pick an art border, you can still adjust the width to make it more subtle or more prominent. Before you apply the border, decide where it should appear using the Apply to drop-down. Whole Document places the border on every page. This section limits it to just the section you're currently in, which is especially useful if your document is divided into sections with different designs. First Page Only is great for a title page or cover. You may also see options like All Except First Page, which is handy when you want a clean cover and consistent borders on the remaining pages. If you haven't created sections yet, choosing Whole Document is often the simplest choice. When everything looks right in the preview, click OK to apply your border. You'll see it instantly reflected in your document. If something isn't quite what you imagined, just return to Design, open Page Borders again, and fine-tune the setting, style, color, width, or apply to selection until it matches your vision. That's all there is to it. With a few thoughtful choices in the Page Border tab, you can add polish, emphasis, or personality to any Word document.